Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn to search on Shodhganga. We'll be exploring the Shodhganga website and we'll be trying to understand that how we can use our keywords and then search on the Shodhganga. What are the features associated with the Shodhganga and how you can utilize those features to excel in your research and also take help from there to write or to develop a very good research paper. So let's start with the beginning. So first of all, you have to go to Google, type Shodhganga. I will be writing it here, Shodhganga, right? So Shodhganga, as you know, it's made up of only two words. Just click on search and the first result is made up of two words, which is Shodh means research and Ganga is, we all know that Ganga is a reservoir or it consists several Indian theses. And let's go to the Shodhganga, click on Shodhganga and it will be leading us to the main site of Shodhganga. Since this site is very heavy as it contains lots of theses, so it would take a bit time, a bit longer than usual time. And if we do not have a strong connection, internet connection, so besides this Shodhganga, we do have the facility of using the mirror site that is called as Shodhganga mirror site. So we would be exploring it later on. Let's just first explore the Shodhganga as it is, right? So as you know, the Shodhganga is an initiative by the University Grant Commission. So this is the overall look of Shodhganga. Let's just check how many of the research or how many of the theses are being contributed to Shodhganga till now. So these many researches are being available, or these many PhD theses are actually available to the Shodhganga. So this is a huge number. These many synopsis we can found over there, and total number of university those who are contributing to the Shodhganga by providing their thesis and the dissertations are in 457 numbers. Besides this, the the 526 university have signed a MOU with Shodhganga to provide their thesis and dissertation. So whenever a student completes a PhD under any of the university automatically upload the thesis on the Shodhganga, and that's why it is a reservoir. It is where every thesis we can find, right? So now let's start with the searching content over it, that how we can use it, how we can search over here, right? So there are many ways of searching the things. Let's say we specifically wants to search through university, we specifically want something from the university only, we specifically want something to be searched from particular state, so anything we can do. But as of now we would be searching through this mode. It looks as if the simple Google engine looks. So let's just hope that we would be yielding good results over here. So all right, so this is where we have to type our keywords, right? So let's just take an example. Let's say I am working on social support, so I would only be typing the keywords. I would not be typing anything else. I need not to type whole of the problem. Let's just type the keywords. This is how we are going to yield good a good number of theses and the dissertation. Let's say I want something from social support, adjustment, right? Then I could also include the achievement. So this is how I have entered three keywords into it, and now I just need to do is just to click over here. And all right, so let's just wait for a second and it would give us an ample of results. So this is how we can get the results. All right, so since I have already told you that this is a very heavy site, it takes time to show the results. Instead of that, what you could do, you can go to Shodhganga mirror sites also. This is a light version of Shodhganga, but as of now we are using the Shodhganga only. All right, so this is how you'll end up on a page where you would be having this kind of platform. All right, So it is saying search all of the Shodhganga will be included while you are searching. It is saying for. So the keyword that we have entered into, that would be coming over here with a slash, meaning thereby these keywords would be searched, right? And then the title. So over here what we have come up with the several titles, even the uploaded date, who has researched over it, and the guide, right? If you do not know, then the guide is whom, under whom you have conducted that research. All right. So let's just say these many are the researches that you have come up with, right? So at a go, how many of the research will be displayed depends upon the number or the figure we have entered here. Let's say you have said that I want to at a go see more than 30 researches altogether at the same time. Then you have to click on update, and it will yield the results 30 altogether at the same time. So at that particular window only you will be able to see that these many researches are being conducted related to your what your keywords that you have just entered, right? So this is how you have to do it. Now there are several other filters that are being given there at the right end. All right, so over here you can choose as many as keywords to refine your results, to refine your. So let's all right, so now we have with us the 30 result at a go. As you can see, the number from 10 to increase to 30. All right, so we can also see that how many other results are also there. We only need is to do to just to click on the next page, then to the next page, then to the next page. All right, so this is how the results are being yielded. And also we have other filters along with us. So if we want to click on English only, if we want to click on Hindi only, if we want to click on other languages, so this is how it has been quoted. So this is what we can use as a filter. And even we can use the filter of year completed, means if we want to see something which is latest in nature, which is being recently is being conducted, so we can also try the filter of year of completion. We can use the keywords over here. Since we are related to the education, so we would be filtering it by the education. Let's just click on it, filter. We will our research or our search would be filtered down with the help of education only. So we'll be having now the thesis which belongs to the education area. So this is how we would be filtering more of our researches. Now all the researches would be of only what, the educational area. Now further also we have a facility of filtering it down. Since let's say social, these are the keywords. Remember the keywords we have used, or we have discussed earlier, that the keywords are only being used when we want to search, we want to highlight that this is the main things about which we have discussed in our research. So this is how we can again filter it out. All right, so this is how, let's say the things are being searched. Now if we want to click, if we want to search over, or we want to go inside a research topic, let's say this is let's just check which is to be open, which is to be open. Let's just open the first one only, and what it is saying: study of academic achievement, values and adjustment of secondary school students in relation to the working status of mother. Okay, then we have a very simple topic over here, which is personality of adolescents in relation to their adjustment and decision making. So this is a link on which we will be clicking it, and then we'll be landing on to the page where whole of the thesis we can found, right? So this will lead us to the main page where we can find the chapters that are being associated there with the research. So this is whole about the research that particular research, performer, or that thesis performer. It starts with the title. What is the title? Who has researched over it? Who was the guide? What the keywords are being used? When it was uploaded? From which university it has been uploaded? So it is being uploaded from Acharya Nagarjun University. It was completed in the date of 2012, and then this is what the URL of this particular thesis is, which belongs to the Shodhganga only. Now let's go to the last of the this particular page, and over here you could see many of the files are being given. All right, so all of these files belong to that particular thesis only, and since all of the thesis, most probably this happens that most of the thesis contains five chapter, right? And initially all those pages are, let's say, the title page, declaration page, so we have nothing to do with them. We only are concerned with the chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and chapter 4, as well as the chapter 5. Along with that, the bibliography is also being given, and the questionnaire that were used to survey the research were also given. All right, if we are only concerned with the review part, or if we are going to write a research paper depending, or the literature review research paper, then we have to click on the second chapter. All theses have a second chapter which is related to the review part, where a researcher has done review related to the topic. So this is the sequence of writing down the thesis, and where the second chapter always belongs to the review of related literature. All right, so this is something which is related to us, because we have to write the review paper in case. All right, so in this research paper, you can see that extensive review is being done by the researcher. See how many these studies related to the personality. Since we all know, let's again go to the topic and we will identify the what the topic is. Topic is saying personality of adolescents in relation to their adjustment and decision making. So on an average, we have three things to search, which are personality, adjustment, and decision making. These three keywords are to be researched over. These three keywords are to be searched for the literature review. So as you can see here, that the studies on personalities are being quoted, and it has been quoted over here, or it has been written over here chronologically. So it is starting from 1970, and slowly it is increasing. It is going in the ascending order, and as at the last we could see that it has come up to the 2010. So the researchers has taken the review till 2010. Since the thesis was published in 2012, so to 2010 up to 2010, the researchers has taken the researches. All right. So this is how we have to write the review. Let's just consider one example over here, right? So the one example which is given over here is Namita Mohan and Lipsa Mai Bal 2010. In the 2010 studied what? This is the title, and data was collected from these many students. There were 30 boys and 30 girls. So in this form we are reviewing others article. All right, so in the next video I would be telling you that how to write the research review. So we are just having a look as if what is being given in the second chapter. So this besides this personality, the researcher has also reviewed studies on adjustment. So this is how the research review of adjustment is being given, and followed by the decision making. So this whole of the chapter we can easily download, and we can also utilize in our own research. So there is a provision of downloading it as well. So this is how what we can do. We can use, or we can use the Shodhganga. All right. So let's go back to the previous page, and then we will found that besides these, there are many other researches that we can found. There are many other theses which we can find over here. The only thing is to do is to just click on the this topic, and we will eventually taken forwarded to the place where the whole of the things are being provided. All right. So this is how we have to search over the Shodhganga. All right. So this is one of the important place where we can go and search, or the thesis we can study in details if we want to have the detailed outlook of any of the topic. All right. So not only this, let's just remove all of these. Let's just type another keywords that we want to search for. Let's say we want to search for education technology. We can get that also, right? Education technology. Let's just type the education technology. We will have the results from education technology, and or anything else you can write it over here, whichever you feel as if this could be the topic. These are the keywords that are related to the topic. So this is how you are going to search on the Shodhganga. All right. So see, we did write the educational technology, and many of the researchers, since we have fed over here that only 30 results would be shown in that particular page. So only 30 are being shown. Other than that, we could see that there are 2,522 other researches are also available. We can go to those by just clicking on the page number given here. So this is how we can utilize the Shodhganga for the sake of searching the things, or searching the researches there on the Shodhganga. So this would be very helpful whenever you are developing any of the research paper or any of the research review paper. All right. So this is it about Shodhganga. Thank you.